Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about decision making in C. So we have decision making statements in C. And why do you think we need these kind of statements? It is because while programming we often need to make a lot of decisions. In some cases we need to execute this block of code, and in some other cases we need to execute this block of code. So using decision-making statements, we can decide the program execution order based on the given conditions. For an example, consider this program. If the number is odd, we want to execute this block, otherwise we want to execute this block. And we have different types of decision-making statements in C, like if else, nested if else, switch, etc. And we'll be discussing each of them in the coming lessons. Hi guys, now you can get a lot of features in the official Log2Base2 website. Easy registration and login process. And once you log in, you can access a lot of amazing courses. You can watch the visual tutorials. You can see the examples, solve puzzles, and finally practice problems, all in a single page. Visit www.log2base2.com where learning is fun and beautiful. And don't forget to let us know your thoughts on this.